Hello students, I am going to discuss dynamics. In my last video, I have discussed Newton's first law of inertia, and Newton's second law. Now I am going to discuss Newton's third law of motion. It's very famous law, as you know. To every action there is an equal but opposite reaction. Action and reaction means force. Now look at this statement. If object A exerts a force on object B, it is called action. Then the object B will exert an equal but opposite force on object A. This is called as a reaction. So Newton says when action will occur, so obviously reaction with the same force will occur in the opposite direction. And now look at these examples. Firing gun, when you fire from a gun. When you apply hammer with a force on a nail to insert in the wall. When you see a book kept on a table. And launching rocket. Now look at these examples. In first force, when you apply force of hammer on nail, in first picture, when you see hammer apply a force on nail, so nail will apply the same reactive force on hammer. In second example, if you see a rocket is going upward, so motion of gas is a force which applied downward. This is an action. Gas will apply force on downward direction. So it's a reaction. Reaction of rocket will move upward. Now in third examples, when a army officer fire from a gun, so from a gun bullet will apply an action in forward direction. So recoil of the gun means rebounds of the gun which apply on soldier's hand is a reaction. So rebounds of the coil is a reaction. Now look at the example 4. When a book is lying on a table, so weight will apply downward. When weight will apply on downward, so as a reaction, table will apply the same force on book in upward direction. So both forces will be equal. Thank you very much.